you about a baby boy. We found it on the side of the road, I think. My mom found it, but it's under this tree now. So
Yeah.
I will try it.
And there's also a sad thing.
Yeah.
A dead birdie is over there.
I will show him.
Yeah, let's go show
guys,
him.
Follow me.
So, if you don't want to look at, just like cover your phone or iPad or your laptop.
Yeah, if you want to watch this, that's okay. We're just gonna make sure that you don't really.
Oh, this is gross. It also pooped a little.
Put
Look.
it down a little more.
Okay. How about this close?
Yeah.
That's how big it is.
And guys, it's dead.
Yeah, it's really dead. Ew, it's so gross.
Wait, what's the mouth? The mouth is open.
And there's also poop.
Yeah.
The mouth is open.
That's blood.
Wait, that's really blood?
Yeah, it's blood.
Oh, okay. It's like pooping out worms. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm sorry that you have to open it. Adorable. Guys, I need a puke. Guys, come here. Follow me. I'm going to show you something, okay? Guys, we don't know what the tough this is. This is my hand.
I can't do what it is. No? No. Is it because the taste?
Maxie.
I don't know what it is. The taste maybe. The texture.
Smaxy.
Do you have them cold?
No.
What? Do you
Bad
have them
boy.
cold? I don't
Bad
know.
boy.
I've eaten
Bad
them,
boy.
like, at different Mexican restaurants.
No.
I had to do the flour tortillas. Don't.
7 minutes, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Flushed out.
Yeah.
So now you're probably wondering why I have mixing on.
Yeah. She's gonna hold the birdie.
And this is to check your hands.
Yeah, because where is it? Oh, it's right there.
So guys, if you want to see it even better, I will hold it and put it back in, okay? It's just gonna be 1 minute right there.
I can be like this and then I can zoom it. Should I just be like this and then zoom? Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this. Don't worry. Not gonna pull out anything.
Do you not see it, guys? I can see it.
So here it is.
Wait, I can't.
See? The baby boy. It's a boy. Let's see if it has a peanut. No. So guys, we can't, when Aiden wants him out, we have to put it back in.
Let's go. Just put it back in.
So now we have to put it back in.
We can play in the bouncy house. Let's go. Play in the bouncy house. Let's go. Come on, Alex. Come on.
No, have to wait, guys. So guys, I have to come out. I don't know, really love this.
Yeah. Look. Over there. You see that, guys?
Yeah.
You see that? Right there? That's a bouncy house. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge.
So guys, so maybe when we take off your shoes for this.
Yep.
So Aiden,
Shoes.
when we take off
Okay.
how high we could jump. Alright?
Wee! Wee!
Yeah, I did see we could fall too.
Who wants to be on YouTube? Ah, chills. Yeah, me too. Wait a minute. Stay like this, guys. I'm gonna put my sandals back on. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm I'm slow.
His mom's. It will on YouTube. Okay. I want to show you something.
I'm hungry. Maxie.
I think we're doing good. This is what we have to do.
Oh, we're going on a Jeep ride? Oh. But I will.
So guys,
Ah, my shoe fell off. Okay, ready.
come.
1 more minute. 1 more minute.
Let's go.
Wait, where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? Oh, yeah. Nothing.
Alright, guys. On the road.
One more.
On the bike.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we already made one.
Yeah, but they didn't see me do better.
I'm driving. No. I don't want to. Ready, set, like, ready. Did it. Okay, 7 minutes.